Hello, Steve Saxon here. I've come to Ellenry to do a bit of bird spotting. I like doing a bit of bird spotting every now and then. I thought I'd come down here, fetch my binoculars and my camera and things, and see what birds I can see at Ellenry. You know, there's all sorts here. There's budgies and sparrows, canaries. I think that's a cockatoo over there. Yep, looks like a cockatoo. Let's have a look what we've got here then. I think that's some kind of chicken down there. Yep, that's a chicken that's just flew off of that rock there. That black and white thing there, that's a zebra finch. You can tell it's a zebra finch because it's got a black body and a white head. Zebra finch. Couple of pigeons there, look. Swans. I can see swans there, look. With baby swans behind them. That over there's a barn owl. On that post. That's what you call a barn owl. And that's a magpie outside of it there, look. Barn owl and a magpie. Doing a bit of yoga, look, that one. Bloody budgie's doing yoga. So that's it. Hours of fun down here at this place. Hours of fun. Sometimes sit here for days. I could live here. Better than my shed. I might move in. Anyway, Steve Saxon signing off from Ellenry. See ya.